If your Telegram call gets stuck at exchanging encryption keys on your iPhone and never connects, don't worry. Follow the instructions and watch the video till the end how to fix this on your iPhone. Solution 1. Disable peer-to-peer calls. Open Telegram, then tap Settings, scroll down, then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down again. Now tap Calls. Under the peer-to-peer section, change the setting to Nobody. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache and log out. Open Telegram again. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap Data and Storage. Now tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Entire Cache. Back to Settings. Tap Edit in the top right and select Logout at the bottom. Restart your iPhone and log back in. Solution 3. Check for updates. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, tap Update if available. If the call is still stuck at exchanging encryption keys, it may be a Telegram server issue. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.